ipakita ang kanilang dominance sa UAP Cheer Dance Competition, dinala naman ng National University Pep Squad ang kanilang talento sa ICU World Cheerleading Championships na ginanap kamakailan sa Disneyland sa Orlando, Florida, USA. At napatunayan ng NU Pep Squad na world-class talaga sila dahil nasungkit nila ang bronze medal sa Level 5 Co-Ed Elite Division. Para pag-usapan ang kanilang panalo sa World Cheerleading Competition, kasama natin ang members ng NU Pep Squad na sina Coach Jica Bernabe, Coach Gabriel Bahacan, Claire Cristobal, Marnelli Calleja, Strawberry Amistoso, and Assistant Team Manager Patricia Chunsim. NU Pep Squad, welcome to the score and congratulations. Galing, galing, galing. Good job. Ibang level na talaga. I mean, from back-to-back championships sa UAP Cheer Dance, which hindi madali yun kasi grabe yung competition. Ibang level pa. World Cheerleading Championships. Okay, Coach, kwento mo sa amin yung pinagdaanan nyo na nag-decide kayo from cheer dance, lalaban kayo sa World Cheerleading Competition.
Actually, na-finalize yung decision na magko-compete kami sa Florida right after namin manalo dun sa NCC.
Yung National Cheer Dance Competition.
And
okay.
1 month na lang talaga yung time namin to prepare for that competition.
1 month lang?
Yeah,
okay.
and of course, kailangan pa ayusin yung visa. So medyo parang possible kaya. And of course, wala pa rin kaming routine. Buti na lang na hindi na rin yung natigil sa practice yung mga bata. Medyo madali-dali na sa amin na mag-create ng routine. Yun lang, we have to master, polish everything.
Paano na iba, si Coach Gab naman, paano na iba ang cheerleading sa cheer dancing? So medyo maliban sa wala pa routine, iba yung ginagawa dun, di ba?
Yeah, yung ano po kasi yung cheer dance kasi more on the dance side.
Okay.
Para siyang production number.
Okay.
Plus yung cheerleading is more on the stunts, pyramids, tosses. Yung more on the technical side ng cheerleading yung ginagawa.
Alright, and for the girls, sino yung mga flyers dito? Ayan, taas, kayo yung mga binabato-bato.
Yes,
ayan, kamusta yung experience doon na lumaban na kayo against the world's best? Kamusta yung pakiramdam?
As first timer po, sobrang blessed po kami na nakarating po kami doon. Siyempre, unang-una safe po kami dahil kasama namin si Lord nung bumiyahe kami. And then yung, siguro po yung experience na nakatapak pa lang kami doon, parang sobrang panalo na kami.
Wow.
Kasi dinala namin yung Pilipinas.
Correct, correct.
And yung mag-perform, sobrang yun, blessed na kami na proud yung Pilipino sa amin. And yung bonus na po yung nanalo kami.
In fairness, nakita ko yung logo ninyo, hindi lang NU Pep Squad, meron talagang Philippine Eagle ba yan? Na, ano, di ba, na naka-mix dyan. Pero hindi ba kayo na-intimidate? Kalaban yung mga, you know, the best in the world, the US colleges na talagang cheerleaders talaga sila. Hindi ba kayo nakabahan sa competition?
Actually po, yung unang pagdating namin dun sa, actually sa akin po, nung nakita ko yung katawan, parang, alaki naman nila.
Okay.
Tapos yung katawan
Ibig
namin,
sabihin, muskulado, ganun. Okay.
opo, yung mga babae po, sila yung nagbubuhat.
Ha? Mga babae nagbubuhat,
Opo.
okay.
So yung una kong naano sa sarili ko pa, kaya ba namin to? Pero actually po nung nagpe-perform po kami every training, parang sila napapa-stop sila, parang, tapos nagpapalakpakan po sila.
Wow, okay. Well, ang gagaang ninyo eh. Binabato-bato kay Sansan. Coach Chica, mas madali ba pag mas magaang or may advantage ba yung sinasabi nila na mas muskulado yung babae?
Siguro, toned yung girls, pero
Okay.
hindi pwede yung sobrang maskulado tapos mabigat talaga.
Okay.
Depende rin dun sa base na ma-assign sa kanya. Okay lang kahit maliit yung lalaki as long as proportion dun sa weight ng babae. Depende eh. Kung sobrang tangkad naman nung lalaki,
Okay.
yun din yung ibibigay namin girls sa kanya. Dun sa competition namin sa Florida, makikita mo yung difference ng Asian dun sa kalaban namin na para sila mga football players, basketball players.
Okay.
Most of them are 6-footers, 5'10", and above.
Mga babae
Tapos,
to, ha?
boys.
Boys
And then
and
yung
girls,
girls naman, yung pinakamatangkad namin, yun na yung pinakamaliit nila sa girls.
Okay.
And I think they're surprised na parang feeling nila high school yung Team Philippines na magko-compete doon. Kasi sobrang tayo ata yung pinakamaliit,
Grabe.
pinakapetit. And they're surprised na kayang magbuhat ng mga boys natin.
Galing. Well, for the team manager naman, assistant team manager, si Patricia, how did you put this team together? I mean, out of nowhere, sabihin na natin yun na from before kayo nag-champion ng 2013, was the first one, di ba? 2012, 2011, medyo struggle to get a competitive pep squad
Yes
ng
po.
NU. Pero paano nyo binuo tong champion team na to?
Well, of course, from the coaches, we got the best coaches. Yung
Okay.
staff ni Coach Chica with Coach Gabs and our Coach Carl and Coach Res. Aside from that, siguro, our recruitment plan program po.
Yun,
So, we've been recruiting, it's no secret naman na we've been recruiting sa palarong pabansa.
Okay.
And,
From gymnast.
From
ba to?
gymnast,
Yun,
from
oh,
Palarong
gymnast,
Pambansa.
correct, oo.
So, yun po yun yung composition ng team namin. Siguro I'd say mga 80% ng team namin right now is composed of gymnast.
Okay.
So, ayun po.
Galing. What kind of school pride does it bring? I mean, sabihin na natin, cheer dance, once a year lang nagaganap yan, pero yung paghahanda ninyo halos all year round, di ba?
Yes.
For one day. Anong klaseng sulit na pakiramdam yung para sa school na lahat ng paghahanda, yung sa inyo, on the recruitment side, everything, anong pride na bibigay ito sa school?
Well, of course, natutuwa ako kasi parang aside from dun sa naririnig ko from the school is that yung population ng NU ngayon is getting bigger because of sports.
Galing. Okay.
So, malaking tulong talaga yung na-boost yung sports ng NU, not only in cheer dance, but also in different sports like basketball, tennis, volleyball.
Correct, oh.
So, yun talaga yung isang malaking naging tulong sa population ng NU ngayon.
Pero ngayon, Coach Chika, ibang level ito. Pilipinas ang pinag-usapan eh. You're the Philippine team representing the country. Ano pakiramdam? I mean, for one, nag-bronze kayo, you competed there, and first time nyo lang to. Malay nyo next year, ibang masanay na kayo, baka mag-gold pa kayo.
The fact na all our players from National University, we don't need to get players from different universities. Yung palang nakaka-proud na. Parang, as a coach, parang feeling ko, sapat na yung aking mga players para mag-compete and bumuo as Team Pilipinas sa ibang bansa. And I'm very proud of them na napanindigan naman nila. Definitely hindi naman kami umuwi ng walang dala-dalang surprise para sa Filipinos.
Well, job well done. At kung sa inyo po, hindi nyo pa napapanood, it's on YouTube, di ba? They can find it on YouTube, yung kanilang winning performance. And this is only the beginning, I'm pretty sure. Mukhang babalik at babalik kayo doon and hopefully bring better silverware or gold naman next time. So once again, congratulations. NU Pep Squad Pilipinas Pep Squad. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Thank you.